We have the box from Medusa's makeup for July 2026. Comes with a cute little card, and on the other side it tells us about the items and their prices. So let's take a look. The shade on this is called Pennywise. It is an eye dust. So that means that it is a loose powder. So if you're going to play around with this, you will need some type of eyeshadow glue to apply this. These, I've played around a little bit. They're really not my thing, but this is a nice, vibrant shade. So, fun item. This is one of their lipsticks. It's a $16 item. The shade is Tamed. Don't swallow it. I'm trying not to you put it in my mouth. Let's get this shade up here. I think it's going to be a neutral shade. There she is in all of her glory. I think it'll sheer out a little bit, so I don't think it's going to be quite that dark. Yet, a nice neutral shade, and it's going to go well with another product. It's going to look quite nice with this Disco Queen Boogie Nights topper. And I don't know how well the camera really is picking it up. There are some sparkles in there, some golds and some blues. So this box is very well thought out and coordinated for a face of makeup. Did we mention this is a $14 item? This is a $14 item. It is a baked eyeshadow in the shade Girl Bye. I'll be honest, I thought this was a blush. And, you know, if you sheer it out enough, I bet you could use this both as eyeshadow and blush. This is a $12 eyeshadow. The shade is called Awesome. From what we understand, the shade varies box to box, or person to person, I mean. So each person could get a different shade of their baked eyeshadow. I like the looks of this one. What were your favorites from this box? I think my two favorites, almost dropped them. That would not be good. Let's do this one at a time before I make a mess. I like the glossy lip topper. Oh, that is a good sparkle, and I like my bling. And I liked this shade of eyeshadow. Yes, that is also a nice one. How about you out there? What did you see that you liked? Did you see something you have? Let me know that you know. I'm an inquiring child. I want to know all the details. In taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, because that's what she likes to do, this is an indie brand, female-owned, female-founded. You get 4 to 6 beauty items every month. It's a $26 a month, and that includes shipping. And I'm looking at the card. This month had a $68 value for the box. Not bad at all for a $26 investment. I was quite pleased. I have been quite pleased with the boxes. I think this is my 4th box. She's forgetful. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. You know the routine. Share with your friends. Share with your neighbors. And we do hope to see you again in another one of our videos. We got fun stuff going on this summer. Catch you later.